Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Mohamad Mifdzal bin Norzal, and I'm from Group 7, Section 6, Object-Oriented Programming. And today, my group and I will be presenting about our system called Film Management System. Okay. For my part, I will be explaining about the product and product test class. Okay, for our subclass for product, basically, the uh, first variable that we have used is for name, we will use string for as our data type. Price, we will use double. Quantity, we will use integer. Item number, we will use integer. And we also applied boolean at our product status. Okay, moving on to the methods that we have used. We have defined is get name. We will use string for our get name, and it will return the name of the films. And secondly, for get price, we use double. Get quantity, we use integer. Get item number, we use integer. Get product status, we will use boolean. And we would for to set our name, we use string. And we have also chosen to use void. Okay, and moving on for set price, we will use void. Set quantity, no, set price. For price, we will use double. Quantity, we will use integer. Item number, we use integer. And and the rest we use basically the same thing. For product status, we use boolean. And we will calculate the value, and also we will use double as our data type. And lastly, it will uh, as a result, it will return the item number, name, get price, get quantity, and the value that we have calculated. Okay.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So moving on to the next coding, which is the CD and DVD, which is the subclasses of the product test class. So they basically store the data of the product test class. So firstly, the cd.java, we have three variable which is string, which is artist, label, and name of songs. So for the artist and label, we use the data type of string, and the name of songs, we use the data type of integer. So and then we set the public CD, which include the string name, double price, integer quantity, digit number. Artist, we use the string data type, integer number of songs, and the label, which we use the string data type. And then we have uh, public string get artist, and then we have the public void, the set artist, which the string artist. And then we have the public get number of songs, we use the integer data type. And then we public void set number of songs, public string get label, public void set labels, the string label. And then string to string. And then as you can see here, we use the if else. If this get product status, the status will be active, and if not, the status will be not active. And next, for the dvd.java, which is the same as the cd, which is the subclasses of a product test class. So as you can see here, we have set some private superclasses with the rating, film studio, and length. So for the DVD class, basically we start the name of the film, the price, the quantity of the film we keep, the item number, the length, which is the duration of the film, and lastly, the age rating. So this data will be inherited from the DVD class and the CD class. Next, the DVD class also will contain the film name, the name of the studio, age rating, duration of the film, the quantity of stock, the price of the film, and the film number. The data will be input by the user, will be inherited from this class. So as you can see here, we have set some things which are the integer get length, set length, get age rating, set age rating, public void set age rating, and we get film studio, which is we use the string data type, public void set film studio, string film studio, public double, calculate value. So for the calculate value, we use the double value equals to calculate value, and the equation is value equals to 105, multiply by value, divide by 100, and then from the previous, which is the CD, with the string to string, the string status will be, if this dot get product status, the status will be active, and if not, the status will be not active.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Nabil Syahmi, and I will be presenting our GUI. So this is our login page where user need to enter their username and password to log in into our system. So next, after we click on this Let's Start button, we will going to fill to next page, which is the field details page. Here in this page, user will going through the field details form where we need to collect data about the film, such as the film name, the studio name, the age rating, duration, quantity, and also price, and last but not least, the film number. And after all details have been filled with has been filled out, we click on this submit button, and thank you message will appear, and this is the end of the end of our system.
Next product is which is our main class to test our product is basically what we have done is we have also applied arrays on our product in the inventory, and we will use var as our data type. And moving on, okay, first of all, basically what we are going to do is we are going to run the program. Okay, I don't need to explain all of this because it's very tedious. Okay, okay, we will run the program. Okay, basically what we are, if the number of films that you would like to, okay, for initially for a user, we will press 0 because you don't need to show other films, press 0. And then if we press number 1, it will check the inventory. Okay, the current list is empty. Please add more data to view the inventory. Okay, then if you for the user, we need to add film, press 2. When we press 2, and then we press 2 again, film. And for example, we would enter the film name Gun. Top Gun. Okay. And for example, gun productions. It's an open-ended question. Okay, age rating we would 18 years old, 18. Duration in we need to put it in minutes. We will put 120 minutes, which is 2 hours. Basically, it's 2 hours, a 2 hour movie, and the quantity of film. So basically, our system is we need to store the films. So we're basically like a database system, but so we need to store the films. So how many stock, how many left? Because if we do this, we could, for example, we could sell the films if we need to, so we know the how much amount of the films. Okay, we enter 10 price. For example, the price of the film is 10 ringgit, 15 ringgit, and the film number we need to also put in the film number, so it's like an ID for the film. So we put number 3, and as you can see, the film has been added successfully. Okay, if you want to choose the manual option, we want to remove the film. What is that? Okay, the name of the film is Top Gun. Film number is 3 based on what we have entered before. And you see, film has been found, you look in the film. And also if you want to discontinue the film, okay, Top Gun. I don't know. If we enter Top Gun, so press 3. Oh, actually, it's not. There's nothing. I think we need to add one more film, but it's okay. Um, and yeah, let me try add one more film. Wait up. Film name Top Gun. Um, Gun Productions. Age rating 18, 20, 15, 15. Film number is 3. Okay, film added successfully. If you want to continue, we will put Top Gun, film number 3, and it immediately discontinue the film. Okay, basically, but it doesn't show from our code. I don't know why, but that is all for us. And when you press 0, it would end the code. Okay, that's all for my part. Thank you.